Have you ever received a surprise tax bill?
In my game, unlikely. However, I have seen that they've made adjustments where it's a surprise going, well, okay, that's different. But again, that's where the weight of good tax account comes into play as well.
So you've always worked with a good accountant and those adjustments have been good adjustments in your favor?
Always in my own favour. When you look at entrepreneurship, definitely. And I mean, accountants, there are so many accountants, 9 out of 10 are just donkey accountants that they're reactive. You just give them there, they take their money, they don't do it. However, finding a decent accountant is the hardest thing.
And with that, when is the best time to plan your taxes? Before the end of the financial year or after the end of the financial year?
Don't do what every business does. So when it comes to the end of the financial year, don't panic and then do it then. You should be doing it on a weekly basis. If your accountant's not meeting you monthly and going, okay, here's where it is, here's how I can improve, here's how we're doing it, they're not worth their weight. However, your accountant should be making more money than they're costing. So they cost you 10 grand, they should be saving you 20. So when you look at taxes, it should be done both weekly and quarterly. If you're not doing that level, you're not keeping an eye on your numbers and business properly. So when it comes to the end of the year, it's just a tick and a flick, just adjust a few things, off it goes.
Yeah. So get a good accountant that sits with you either monthly or quarterly.
Definitely.
Plus
So-
their fees tax deductible. So you get, you know,
Definitely. Everything's tax deduction. Yeah. If I had a good accountant, they'd be saving me money. They'd be giving me advice on how I can make it better. And they'd be sitting down every month, not me following them. They should be calling me saying, book in your call.
yeah. And then you got the strategy in place because you can't do anything after the financial year to save tax. You can only do it one
Right.
with your structure set up. And then also the decisions you make throughout the year on what you spend, how you do things, how you structure your affairs to be able to save tax. That's my advice I give people.